Number 2, Lesson 16 homework. Riverside Elementary School is holding a school-wide election to choose a school color. 5/8 of the votes were for blue, 5/9 of the remaining votes were for green, and the remaining 48 votes were for red. So my suggestion on this was to start backwards and go up from there. We know that we had 48 votes left over out of how many? 48 votes remaining from what? What were the 48 votes remaining from?
Green.
Okay, green, which was 5/9. So let's start backwards. We're going to start with the tape diagram. And how many boxes are we going to make? 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many of them were green?
5/9 of the remaining votes were green.
Okay, so 5 of them were green. And the remaining 48 votes were red. So the remaining votes, these are red. And how much was that worth?
48.
48. Well, there's 4 boxes left over. We have the number 48, so how am I going to do that? How do I solve that? There's 48 total, and there's 4 boxes. How do I do that?
48 divided by 4.
Okay, 48 divided by 4 is
12.
12. So each of these is worth 12. That means all of these are worth 12. Now it says 5/9 of the remaining votes. What is it remaining from? What is it left over from?
The 5/8.
The 5/8, which are blue, right? So we're going to come down here and we're going to make a tape diagram with how many boxes?
8.
8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many of them are blue? 5. So we have blue. So of the remaining, it would have to be that 5/9, right? This. So how many boxes do we have left? 3. Well, we could add all these up, or we could just say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 total here, divided by how many? 3 would give us what? 3. So if each of these is worth 12, what's one of these worth? 3 times what?
3 times 12,
36. So this would be the 3 times 12 for each box, which would be 36. Now, if I wanted to find out how many votes were for blue, I would take 36 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many votes were for green? I would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see how that works?